Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through a new feature that's been added to Easel, which is the ability to copy and paste objects into Easel and out of Easel using the system keyboard. This means that you can copy and paste between different applications that support SVG data from the system clipboard. We're going to visualize that here in a moment. Just one thing to note really quickly first is if you're using a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, the first time you paste into the canvas, you'll be prompted to share clipboard access. And you'll have to click allow before you can do that more seamlessly. And then if you're using a browser like Firefox or Safari, those don't require explicit permission, so you're probably not going to see it pop up. And we'll visualize kind of what that looks like here. So moving over to here, I have my SVG right here. I'm going to grab it and click on File, click on Edit and Copy, and then move it over to the Untitled and Edit and Paste. I'm going to get this pop-up that asks me if I want to allow to see the system clipboard. I'm going to allow it, and now my design is copied and pasted into Easel. If you are using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome and you don't see that, one thing you can check is over here to the right, there's a clipboard icon, and if you click on Manage, it could be that this right here is checked where it says don't allow sites to see text or images on your clipboard. You're just going to want to change that to sites can ask to see text and images on your clipboard, and then you're going to have to allow it again when you try to copy it again, but then it should work. This feature also works the other way around, so I can grab, and I'll just remove this from my design, I can grab my design here and click on Edit and Copy, and then move over here and Edit and Paste. It's going to ask me to allow it again. I'm going to allow it, and then my object, which is really small, is now pasted into my SVG editor. And that's how you can copy and paste things from the system clipboard to and from Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.